To load ABR files into Affinity Photo tutorial by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to load ABR files, and the key thing here is to actually have the brushes panel in Affinity Photo. So once you've actually got that available, you can see there in Studio, then you can see all of this different brush sets that are already currently added, and you can add an additional one. Now these ones are ABR files, these ones are in the Photoshop CC 2018 format, and not the earlier ABR formats that with Photoshop. So those won't load, but the new ABR formats will be able to be loaded into Affinity Photo. Just select it, and once you've done that, click open. Now you can find hundreds of ABR files on the web. Find lots on graphicextras.com, lots and lots of ABR files there, and you can load those. And once you've done that, once you've actually selected that file and loaded it, you can then, of course, use it. You can actually select the different brushes, and it will obviously take a few seconds to load it. Comes up with a little dialogue that says how many brushes have been added, and it's hopefully will be successful. Once it's done that, you can see all the brushes there in the brushes panel. You just go down there, you can actually click on them, and then you just see the brush there, just obviously even before you use it, so it actually shows you a sort of outline of the brush. You can just select them. You can also, of course, modify them by just double-clicking on the brushes, so you just see apply it there. So you can select a whole range. These ones are 3D design brushes, say the Graphic Extras website. And so I'm just creating a quick new document so I can show it maybe slightly better, and just select that one. And you can change the colour. You can obviously change all the various settings. Like I say, by change the colours via the usual colour picker, change the various settings via the brushes panel there. So just so you can obviously applying it black there. Got current colour there is black. Now obviously what I want, so I'm going to go like something like red. Just go for the colours there, down there, and you can select the colour. Obviously I haven't got that displayed, so just select the colour, say like red, and apply that just there. But to actually change the settings, double click the actual thing. Once you double click that, brought that up, you can change the size. You can modify a whole range of other settings, rotation, etc., as well as blending modes and many more. Very similar to the ones that are available on the Photoshop ABR files as well. So it's a whole range. Blending modes are a real quite nice feature. And you can also add some dynamic variation. So if you've got an art pad and pen, etc., and change that. And you can also add additional designs to the thing. You just click there and add additional nozzles. Now, don't have to do that, of course. You can just continue on with the brush as before. And that's it. Just a quick run through of all the brushes you can add very quickly into Affinity Photo. If you found this tutorial of interest, thank you much.